السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. عيد الأضحى. عيد الأضحى. إنه عيد حقا. إنه definitely it's a Eid. حقا means definitely. It's indeed a celebration. إنه عيد. In, it it is indeed a celebration or a Eid. حقا means definitely, uh, obviously, okay. Um, Indeed. ذلك اليوم الذي يجمع الناس. These day الذي يجمع الناس. This is the day. This is the day. ذلك اليوم. This is the day الذي where يجمع الناس. That this day gather people. This day gather people or incorporate to people or include على الناس people على لسان واحد in one tongue. In one tongue. لسان واحد means one tongue. That means one kalima. All right. وعلى شعور واحد, and this day also include people or gather people. على شعور واحد means in one feeling, and وعلى كلمة واحد and one كلمة. بعضهم, some of them يذهبوا go إلى مكة, to the Makkah, go to the Makkah. Some of them go to the Makkah ويلبي, and they recite talbiyah. Recite talbiyah. Labba yulabbi means reciting talbiyah. What is the talbiyah? Talbiyah is labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. That means I am present. Ya Allah, I am present. وبعضهم, and some of them يتجهوا, move forward or head إليها, to Makkah في صلاته. Or no, وبعضهم, and some of them يتجهوا, move forward إليها, move forward to the Makkah or face to the Makkah في صلاته, in their salat. Okay, during salat we move to the Makkah, right? ويكبر, and we give takbir, we say takbir. يقول, people say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest, Allah is the greatest. وبعضهم, and some of them يذبحوا الأضحية, and some of them يذبح. بعضهم means some of them, يذبح means sacrifice. Some of them slaughter or sacrifice al-udhiyah. Udhiyah means animals. Animals which will be sacrificed. ففي مكة التي يتجه إليها المسلمون, and the Makkah, and in the Makkah التي where يتجه, people move forward or face their body. يتجه means facing a direction. Baytullah al-Haram, and it is Baytullah al-Haram. People, the way people face their body, it's Baytullah al-Haram. الذي أمر الله نبيه, which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered his Nabi, his Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salatu wassalam, أن يبنيها. This is the house which was made by Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salatu wassalam by the direction of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Alladhi amar Allah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala directed or ordered, commanded Nabiyahu, his Nabi Prophet, his Nabi Ibrahim alayhi salatu wassalam, an yabniyaha, so that he can create it. Bana yabni, yabniyaha, that means so that he can build, so that he built the house, Baytullah al-Haram. وفي مكة, and in Makkah, ولد النبي محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam was born. Wulida means born. Okay, Muhammad was born. وفي مكة, and in Makkah, نزل عليه الوحي. Wahi was revealed. Wahi was revealed in Makkah. فأخذ يدعو إلى الله, and he started calling people to Allah. فأخذ, أخذ means here starting. أخذ is another meaning, which is taking. So, but here أخذ means starting. دعا means inviting. Prophet peace be upon him started calling people to Allah ilallah, حتى انتشر نور الحق, until the Islam spread, or until the light of truth spread, until the light of truth spread. وإذا كانت الأعياد مبعث السرور والسعادة. And uh, وإذا كانت الأعياد مبعث السرور. The Eid days were the source of happiness. Saada and surur, they have same meaning. Entertainment or happiness. Entertainment and happiness. Surur was saada. The Eid days were the source. Mab'ath means source. Ayat means uh, Eid days. Eid days were the source of happiness. فإن عيد الأضحى and عيد الأضحى definitely مبعث الذكريات. ذكريات معنى remember. And Eid al-Adha is the source. Eid al-Adha is the source of what? Source of remembering. Source of remembrance, what durus and lesson and teaching. Alright? Lesson and teaching. The full sentence is when all the Eids, or when. Ida means here when all the Eids are the source of happiness and entertainment, while Eid al-Adha is the source of remembrance and lesson. دروس or lesson. ففي هذا العيد in this عيد يتعلم المسلمون Muslim learn. Muslim learns. All the Muslims learn at that time. Muslims learn what? Learn دروسا قيمة, a valuable lesson. دروسا قيمة, valuable lessons. They learn valuable lessons في الطاعة about obedience, والإنفاق and how to spend money, والجهاد and jihad, you know. So these things Muslims learn in this Eid. What are these things? At-ta'ah, obedience, how to obey, wal infaq, how to spend money, wal jihad, how to go to war in the way of Allah. Jihad means going to war in the way of Allah. يذكر المسلمون, Muslims what? Muslims remember في هذا العيد, in this Eid. Muslims remember in this Eid قصة إبراهيم, a story of Ibrahim alayhi salatu wassalam. Qissat Ibrahim means a story of Ibrahim alayhi salatu wassalam wa ibnihi. And people also remember, Dhakara means people also remember ibnihi, his son Ismail. His son Ismail. Ibnihi means his son. Alayhim assalam. Alayhima here because Ibrahim and Ismail together. That's why it's alayhima. Alright. إبراهيم الذي رأى في المنام. Ibrahim عليه الصلاة والسلام الذي هو رآه, who saw in the dream. في المنام means in the dream. أنه, that he is sacrificing his son. أنه يذبح ابنه. Muhammad sallallahu Ibrahim عليه الصلاة والسلام saw in the dream that he is slaughtering or he is sacrificing his son. فيقول له Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saying in the dream, Ibrahim is then telling his son Ismail, يا بني إني أرى في المنام أني أذبحك فانظر ماذا ترى. يا بني, oh my son, إني أرى, I can see in the dream that I am sacrificing you. So فانظر ماذا ترى. So what do you think? What can I do now? Okay. Ismail replying, قال يا أبت افعل ما تؤمر. You do whatever you were commanded. You can do whatever you were ordered. If'al ma tu'mar. Whatever you were ordered, you can do. Satajiduni insha'Allahu minas sabirin. You will find me peaceful. You will find me from those who have patience. From those who have patience, you will find me among them. Okay, you can do however you were ordered. أطاع إسماعيل أباه. Ibrahim alayhi salam obeyed his father. Ibrahim alayhi salam ata'a yuti' means obeying. Ibrahim alayhi salam obeyed his father. And then وأوشك الأب أن يذبح ابنه طاعة لله. And father Ibrahim alayhi salam was about to. Awshaka means about to. He was almost doing that. He was almost slaughtering his son. أوشك الأب, the father was almost أن يذبح was about to slaughter his son. أن يذبح ابنه. أوشك means about, almost he was doing. طاعة لله, in the obedience of Allah. ففداه الله بذبح عظيم. Then finally Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala rewarded. Fada means rewarded or giving any reward. Fadahu Allahu bidhabhin azim. Then finally Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him a huge sacrifice. Okay, bidhabhin azimin. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us Eidul Adha so that we can sacrifice animals. Okay, it's a ni'ama. وما زال المسلمون Muslims still ما زال means still المسلمون Muslim people مقابلين still move or still go or still come من كل مكان from all the places إلى هذه الأرض الطيبة to this grateful to this great land, to this great land, all right, to this precious land. Still Muslims people go to this place, that means Baitullah. وقد كان حجهم وقد كان حجهم وقد كان حجهم their Hajj were, I'm sorry that some of the letters get into the cross the boundary. وقد كان حجهم, their Hajj were at the time, in the ancient time, the Hajj were difficult, شاقا. وأصبح اليوم سهل, but these days the Hajj became easy. أصبح means became, اليوم today, سهلا, easy. Hajj شاقا means difficult. It was difficult. Hajj was difficult before, now it is easy. فلا عجب, and it's no wonder. فلا عجب, it's not a wonder. It's not a wonder that أن تشهد هذه الأرض المباركة, this precious land witnessed. This precious land witnessed. He is the witnessed. This precious land, that means Baitullah al-Haram, is the witnessed. تلك الجموع العظيمة المؤمنة التي تأتي إليها من كل بلاد الدنيا. He witnessed all the people from ancient time to this time, to see all the people coming around to this land from all over the countries. So who is the witness here? Al-Ardul Mubarakah is the witness. That means this land saw the people, those who used to come before and those who are still coming. He is the witness to see all the people. Many people at that time came to this world and came to this land, and still people are coming to this land. He is the witness of this incident. ولا عجب أن تفيض هذه الأرض المباركة بالخير الكثير. And it's no wonder that this great land or this precious land is fulfilled by بالخير الكثير, with many خير. بالخير الكثير means many خير, blessings. This land is fulfilled by many blessings. Assalamu alaikum.